welcome back to another one of our training videos. I am Joel Camargo, and I'm very excited to walk you guys through how to register an advanced account payable. Okay, so this is very simple. It's the same steps as registering an account payable, except that we are making the type specifically to be payment in advance. Okay, so let's head on into our system. Here we are, guys. We're going to be registering an accounts payable. So for us to do so, we're going to click on updates. Underneath updates, you see files, accounts receivable, accounts payables, bank transactions, and commissions. We are obviously clicking on accounts payables for this function. We're gonna then underneath you find accounts payable once more. So the sequence is updates, accounts payable, all right? And that will bring you to the payments window where you have the accounts that you already have registered in your system to be paid for, okay? So once it loads up, you will see. Here we have, as I was saying, the accounts payable. You have already registered them in the system, and they're in different statuses. You can tell by the bubbles here on the left side. Now, what we'll be doing is we're going to be creating a new one. All right. So we're going to click on the top left corner, add. On the add button takes you to this creation page where you can input the properties or the general data for your account payable. You view that there is a prefix, there is a bill number. The bill number is mandatory, something which is indicated by this little asterisk, okay? So every single field with the asterisk is mandatory. We're gonna complete the bill number. Bill number is simply for us to reference to it later. Here you can input any installments if you are so desired. And here we're doing the type. Now, as I said, we are making this accounts payable advanced, an advanced payment, okay? So we're gonna use this filtering bar right here to look for the PA, and that is the key for payments in advance. As you can view right here, key PA, payment in advance. So we are selecting that type, and this will make our accounts payable advanced, all right? So here we select the class as well. Or sorry, once you select that type, this inbound location will pop up asking you, hey, what bank account is it that is making this payment in advance? All right, so here you select the bank from your system. Okay, we're selecting Capital One. You can see you filled out the account number. There's also a check number if you so desire, and you can write down here a little history so that you can reference to it in the future and understand this process, why it's paid forward, why was it paid in advance, and so on. We click OK on that. Here we're going to select, we're going to continue filling out these properties. So here we select a class for our accounts payable. Here, very importantly, we are selecting the supplier which we are paying. And you can see once we input the supplier, the unit field also gets filled out along with the supplier name. Here we have due date and maturity date. There you go. And here, very importantly, we have the bill value, all right? So we are adding all of that. Just creating the, you create the account payable to whatever extent you desire. You view that there's also some other tabs here at the top, such as taxes, admin, bank, accounting, and others. Now, none of these other tabs have any fields that are mandatory, but you are allowed to go in, or you're capable of going in and customizing them to complete this account payable as in depth as you desire, all right? So we're gonna click on save, and you will view that we successfully created an account payable. All right, there it is. And you can view that this account payable has a white bubble. Why is that so? If you wanna find out, you click on other actions. Here in other actions, view tons of other tools that we have. However, we're clicking on caption. Caption will pop up, and you view that the white bubble indicates an advancement with balance. All right, so there you go, guys. That is how you guys create an account payable of the payments in advance type, or an advanced account payable. Very, very simple. You simply have to alter the type. The type is very important when it comes to creating these accounts. So I appreciate you guys' time for watching this video, and I will catch you all on the next one.